cheese and no tomatoes.
I like pizza with cheese on it.
Yeah, I need cheese on my pizza, buddy.
Can I have cheese on my pizza?
It's to me. I need to make this. These are small, mini cheese.
Oh, perfect.
Nice.
Can I get some black olives on the pizza?
No, that makes gross.
What?
That's gross, Dad.
You don't like black olives on your pizza, but you'll eat black olives whole?
I like in a can.
Where's
You like some?
Now what are you doing?
Go make a pizza.
Rolling the dough. Are you making a slicing the pepperoni?
We don't have pepperoni.
What kind of pizza you making? No cheese, no pepperoni.
There's sprinkles on it.
Oh, sprinkle pizza.
We're gonna get some more. And you got
No, I don't think you need to go get anything, buddy.
No, I think we're good. You have enough of what you need.
You need to share.
Okay, we'll share. You gonna share with me?
No, I'm gonna eat it all.
He'll share.
Fine, I'll share. I'll share with the cat.
No.
Okay, get down, Charlie.
What?
Get down.
Oh. I'll share it with Snickers.
No.
I'll share it with Trony.
No.
I'll share it with Mama.
No. Oh yeah.
Why can't I share it with one of the cats?
No.
That pizza looks delicious.
Oh, wow.
Right?
2 for you.
Thanks, man.
Cheese.
Wow. Cheese, pizza, breadsticks, Play-Doh. No.
Thank you.
You can eat them all. You want?
What are they?
Cheese pizza with stretchy Play-Doh.
That sounds delicious.
It was delish.
Thank you.
You can't eat all of them to once.
Ah,
That's
Ew.
I